Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're talking about Kahr handguns, and there are many that I can feature, but I want to showcase this one right here. It's the Kahr PM9. I think this gun is excellent, and I want to give you 5 reasons why, so let's go. The first reason is the size and weight, making this an excellent EDC choice. Check out that size. It is small, lightweight, and compact. I do have a round in the chamber here and 6 rounds loaded up in the magazine, and we put it on the scale and it is weighing in at 1 pound and 4 ounces. If we move that to just ounces, it's weighing in at an even 20 ounces. That's pretty light for a 9mm handgun. But I'll go ahead and remove that round. So for concealability purposes, whether you decide to use a holster, put it on the hip, or a pocket holster, tuck it in your pocket, or even an ankle holster, the PM9 would make a great choice. I mean, it is so small and lightweight. I think it's amazing. Now, to give you another visual, here's a Glock 43. All right, we look at the barrel length here. The PM9 on the left, quite a bit shorter, a little less than an inch. Even the grip is shorter. Both carry 6 rounds, and you know, you're getting that 9mm. So this is essentially the size of many of the micro 380s with 9mm chambering. Next is recoil management and trigger control. We tend to think small, little lightweight, subcompact guns like this are snappy, and they are, but not this Kahr PM9. And I credit that to the dual recoil spring. It's a bit heavier. When I pull the slide back, I can feel it's a bit heavier. Charging it is not a problem. But that dual recoil spring that's a bit heavier has a benefit, and that is the recoil management. Shooting this PM9 is no problem. Staying on target is no problem because the muzzle rise is a minimum when firing. It allows you to be more accurate, stay on target, and not feel that recoil, being that it is such a lightweight gun. You just don't feel it as much. In regard to the trigger, it's a double action that breaks 6.5 to 7 pounds. It resets at almost full position, not quite, little play there, but it does break at a very nice point there. Very consistent across the board with all Kahr models. So if you like a very smooth trigger pull, you're getting it from this PM9 as well as the other Kahr handguns. The recoil management and trigger control leads right into my next topic, and that is my shooting impressions. I've been shooting Kahrs for a long time. I really enjoy the way they fire based on some of the things I already said, but I feel at home with it. It feels natural to me. Now, my main carry gun is a Kahr P9. I love everything about it, and I feel the exact same way with the PM9. Even though it's smaller, I get the same shooting impressions that I do with the P9, and to me it's beneficial. Not only does it carry well, not only is it lightweight, not only does it offer very little recoil, but my shooting accuracy with this is really good. So let's take a few shots and you can judge for yourself. Next is the build quality of Kahr handguns. They have a superior built, extremely tight, whether it's this PM9 or the CM9, lesser expensive CM9. They share the same size and weight. This is a very nice gun as well. But the P-series guns, it's all built from bar stock steel. They're very tight, and I like that. It helps in so many ways. But we'll go ahead and disassemble the gun. I want to talk about a few things that people don't understand with the Kahr handguns. We'll go ahead and punch this pin out and pull the trigger, and off comes the slide. See that steel right there? Steel inserts all throughout. Many people don't realize how much steel is in this. They say that the Kahrs, the slide rides on the polymer rails. Those rails are only there for reassembly. Here we have an all steel guide rod, dual recoil spring, and here's the 3-inch barrel. But all of this is made from bar stock steel, so the build quality, in my opinion, is pretty phenomenal. Now, they are tight. They do loosen up a bit, but not that much. Like, I don't want it to loosen up too much. These are put together and assembled very well. Reassembly, just as simple. You just move this back like that, and there you go. Very nice build quality. The PM9 ships with 2 6-round and 1 7-round magazine with an extended base plate. It allows for a full 3-finger contact on the gun. It will also work with 9mm mags from the larger Kahr handgun. So here's a 7-round mag, here's an 8-round mag that will work just fine. And I like that choice because you can use the same magazine. So I carry the P9, it has a 7-round magazine. If I carry the PM9, I could use this same setup. Here's an extra carry mag pouch I use for my spare mags. I don't have to change my spare mag. I could use that when I carry this PM9 and it works just fine. Those are 5 reasons I feel the Kahr PM9 is an excellent handgun. This is Kahr's most popular model, and you'd be shocked at how many people contact me and say they carry the PM9 every day and feel extremely confident with it. I feel the same way. I like this one in particular because I like the blackened slide, the True Glow night sights, but it's a great gun, and for me, carrying it, I just feel at home. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.